What's up, guys? I am excited to bring you some great news. I finally got a new reliable car. Check it out. This is my new 2013 FRS. So I bought it exactly like this except for the taillights. My buddy just gave me these taillights. Shout out to you, Trevor. And it's pretty stock. Besides this TRD spoiler, and it's got this little roof diffuser, plasti dipped wheels, which I'm going to peel. The front and rear badges are plasti dipped too, so I have to peel those. Rally Armor mud flaps, and some 5% tint all the way around, and a 5% windshield banner. Which I will probably end up getting pulled over for, but other than that, the car is in great shape. It's got the Windjet taillights, like I said, that I got from Trevor. I don't know if that's a real Valenti fourth brake light. It's probably just like an eBay thing. 38,000 miles. If we look in here, it's really dirty. I need to get it detailed. This is how I drove it home. I just got it washed. It's not registered yet, even though I have the plate on there. Just like base everything, stick shift. So overall, in really great shape. Now I don't have any huge plans for this thing. I still got both of these guys. So this is going to be my new daily. I am, of course, going to modify it, but I'm not going to go too crazy with it. It needs to stay dailyable. And there will be more videos on this in the near future. Well, guys, that's going to be it for this short video. I just was excited to show you my new car. If you have any ideas of what you think I should do to it, go ahead and drop them in the comments, and I will take a look and respond, possibly, with what I think about that. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it, whatever. Thanks for watching, and peace out.